Six Sigma is important for today's businesses and organizations. Companies pay well for professionals with Six Sigma skills. These experts help improve workflows, product quality, and customer satisfaction. In this article, we will explore Lean Six Sigma salaries and the key factors that influence them. What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a set of principles and techniques. They help organizations reach their goals more efficiently. The main goal is to improve product quality and customer satisfaction. This, in turn, boosts revenue growth. Organizations use Six Sigma to increase profits. They improve customer experiences, simplify operations, and reduce product and process defects. Key components of Six Sigma include 1. A business strategy, a clear plan to boost revenue, cut costs, and enhance operations. 2. A vision, empowering management to envision a defect-free, productive, and positive work environment. 3. A benchmark, setting performance standards helps us track and improve our process metrics. 4. A goal, set clear objectives for the organization to reach using best practices. 5. A statistical measure, utilizing data-driven metrics to evaluate the organization's success. 6. A problem-solving methodology, a systematic approach to identifying and addressing operational challenges. Who is a Six Sigma expert? A Six Sigma expert is skilled in the Six Sigma method and its various techniques. You can gain this expertise by finishing a certified Six Sigma course or by practicing Six Sigma methods directly. Six Sigma expertise is structured across different certification levels. 1. Yellow Belt, covers foundational knowledge of Six Sigma principles. 2. Green Belt, focuses on advanced tools and techniques for process improvement. 3. Black Belt, demonstrates mastery in leading projects and driving strategic improvements. 4. Master Black Belt, this is the top level of Six Sigma expertise. 4. They mentor black belts and oversee projects across the entire organization. 4. Professionals at this level typically earn the highest Lean Six Sigma certified salaries. Six Sigma salary in 2025. Becoming a Six Sigma expert offers excellent career opportunities across various industries. Organizations aim to enhance efficiency. As a result, the need for Six Sigma professionals remains high. This strong need offers attractive salary prospects. Six Sigma certified salaries differ by certification level, experience, job role, and employer. In this article, we'll explore the Six Sigma salary landscape for 2025. What is the average salary of a Six Sigma professional? Here's an overview of the average salary for Six Sigma professionals. 1. Hourly salary, the average Six Sigma professional earns approximately $36 per hour. 2. Monthly salary, the average monthly salary is around $900. 3. Annual salary, on an annual basis, Six Sigma experts can expect to earn roughly $11,000. Six Sigma salary based on different factors. 1. Salary based on experience and job role. The salary of Six Sigma professionals depends a lot on their experience and job role. Here's a breakdown of average monthly salaries for various job roles. Salary growth based on experience level. Experience plays a crucial role in determining salary growth. The following table shows the increase in pay percentage compared to entry-level employees. 2. Six Sigma salary based on employer/company. The employer's size, industry, and geographic location also influence Six Sigma salaries. The Six Sigma salary survey shows estimated annual salaries at top companies. 3. Six Sigma salary based on certification. Certification levels in Six Sigma play a significant role in salary potential. Here's how different certifications impact earnings. 4. Six Sigma salary, based on location. The average salary for Six Sigma professionals differs greatly by country. This changes due to demand, cost of living, and the presence of various industries. Here's a breakdown of the average annual salaries across different countries. This global comparison shows that the value of Six Sigma expertise varies by region. It depends on local market needs and economic conditions. What is the ROI for adopting Six Sigma? Using Six Sigma practices gives a strong return on investment, ROI. This includes both clear, hard benefits and less obvious, soft benefits. Hard returns. 1. Operational improvements, enhance efficiency through streamlined processes. 2. Cost reductions, identifying and eliminating waste to reduce expenses. 3. Revenue growth, optimizing product quality and service delivery, leading to increased sales. Soft returns. 1. Cost avoidance, preventing future issues that could result in financial losses. 2. Customer loyalty, improved customer satisfaction fosters long-term relationships. 3. Employee engagement, a culture of continuous improvement boosts productivity and morale. Key factors contributing to Six Sigma ROI. 1. Cultural transformation, fosters a customer-centric mindset and reduces operational waste. 2. Strategic alignment, strengthens the connection between business strategies and task execution. 3. Accelerated change, enhances the speed of process improvements, driving business growth. 4. Employee satisfaction, motivated employees have clear goals, effective workflows, and receive recognition. 4. This combination helps keep them longer and boosts their performance. ROI percentage based on Six Sigma methodologies. Organizations that use Six Sigma see big gains in money and efficiency. This makes it a smart choice. Why are certified Six Sigma professionals paid so much? Certified Six Sigma professionals are important. Their skills help boost an organization's profits. By applying Six Sigma methodologies, they help companies 1. Boost revenue, better processes and quality help businesses operate smoothly and increase profits. 2. Reduce operational costs, identifying and eliminating waste reduces expenses significantly. 3. Enhance customer satisfaction, quality products and services encourage customer loyalty, supporting long-term growth. Hiring Six Sigma experts usually brings in much more money than their salaries. Organizations offer competitive pay to attract and keep these professionals. Their work delivers measurable, high-impact results. The future of being a Six Sigma expert. Becoming a Six Sigma professional is a big change. It requires little upfront investment but offers great long-term rewards. The need for Six Sigma experts is rising in many industries because of these reasons. 1. Six Sigma works in many fields, like manufacturing, IT, healthcare, and finance. Its methods apply to various industries. 2. Companies constantly seek ways to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. This creates steady job opportunities for Six Sigma professionals. 3. High ROI for professionals. The skills you gain help your career grow. They also boost job security and lead to higher pay. Now is a great time to start your journey to become a Six Sigma professional. Begin your path to a great career by signing up for an online Six Sigma Green Belt certification course. Conclusion: no matter where you work, a Six Sigma certification boosts your career chances. It opens doors to better paying jobs. It also gives you skills to create real change in organizations. Ready to boost your career? iCertGlobal's Six Sigma courses can help you stand out in today's competitive job market. These courses help you 1. Expand your current skill set. 2. Improve your organization's workflows. 3. Boost your career growth with recognized certifications. Take the next step toward a successful future. Enroll today.